Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making chicken wings. These are Caribbean style chicken wings. They have a Cuban, Puerto Rican influence. Let's do it. I have 16 chicken wings. Washed, patted them dry. I have them in a plastic gallon-sized bag. Right here, I'm gonna mince 4 garlic cloves. This is a small bunch of cilantro, just what you can get in the palm of your hands. I have 2 half bell peppers, red and green, a quarter of an onion, the juice of 1 orange, the juice of 2 limes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and right here, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop everything into pieces. We're going to put it in our blender. And I'm going to juice my citrus. Let's put it together. So here's my blender. I'm going to add my peppers, my onion. Here's my garlic. Here's my olive oil. My orange. My limes. Here's my cilantro. And these are my spices. Okay, so now we're going to blend them. So here's my marinade. You can see all the beautiful colors from the peppers. So now we're going to pour this on top of our wings. So here are my wings. I poured my marinade on top, and I'm going to just let them soak in here. I really recommend 2 hours. I did it for only 1 hour because we were hungry the last time I made this, and I could tell the difference. I mean, the flavor just attaches to the chicken so much better when it's 2 hours, okay? So we're letting this go for 2 hours marinating time. And here are my chicken wings. I marinated them for 2 hours. I put them in my glass baking dish. I discarded the rest of my marinade. Okay, so I was able to fit all 16 in my 9x13 baking dish. I have a 400-degree oven waiting, and I'm going to cook these until their internal temperature reaches 165. It'll be anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, possibly more. I'll let you know. And these are my chicken wings, you guys. They come out very, very tasty with this marinade. I've made a similar marinade with chicken quarters. It's very similar, but these are chicken wings. Very tasty with all the citrus. They have a Caribbean influence. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.